Sourdough. Sourdough is the oldest known leavened bread, with evidence of fermented grain baking dating to ancient Egypt around 3700 BCE. Unlike commercial breads, sourdough relies entirely on wild yeast and lactic acid bacteria naturally present in flour and air. The fermentation process can last anywhere from 12 to 72 hours, producing its signature tangy flavor. San Francisco sourdough, protected since the 1800s, contains a unique strain of bacteria called Lactobacillus sanfrancisensis, found nowhere else on Earth, giving it an irreplicable regional flavor. Baguette. France's most iconic bread was legally defined by government decree in 1993. The baguette tradition law stipulates it must be made from only wheat flour, water, salt, and yeast, with no additives permitted. A standard baguette weighs exactly 250 grams and measures between 55 and 65 centimeters. France produces approximately 16 million baguettes daily. In 2022, UNESCO added the French baguette to its intangible cultural heritage list, recognizing the bread's cultural role beyond simple nutrition. Injera. Injera is a spongy, fermented flatbread originating in the Horn of Africa, consumed daily across Ethiopia and Eritrea for over 2,000 years. Made from teff, a grain indigenous to the Ethiopian highlands containing 11% protein and high iron content, the batter ferments for 2 to 3 days before cooking on a clay griddle called a mitad. Its surface is covered in thousands of tiny holes called eyes, which absorb stews and sauces. Injera functions simultaneously as plate, utensil, and bread in Ethiopian dining culture. Naan. Naan traces its documented history to 1300 CE in the Indian subcontinent, referenced in the writings of Indo-Persian poet Amir Khusro in Delhi. Made from refined wheat flour, yogurt, yeast, and water, it is traditionally cooked inside a tandoor clay oven at temperatures reaching 480 degrees Celsius. The yogurt introduces lactic acid, tenderizing the gluten structure and producing naan's characteristic soft, pillowy interior. India produces an estimated 3 billion naan breads annually, making it one of the most consumed flatbreads in Asia. Rye bread. Rye bread dominated Northern and Eastern European diets for over 1,000 years, particularly across Germany, Scandinavia, and Russia, where wheat cultivation was impossible in colder climates. Made from rye flour, which contains significantly less gluten than wheat, rye bread requires a sourdough starter to achieve any rise. Germany alone produces over 300 documented varieties of rye bread. Pumpernickel, the darkest variety, is baked at low temperatures of around 120 degrees Celsius for up to 24 hours, developing its dense, almost chocolatey depth through a Maillard reaction rather than burning. Pita. Pita bread has been baked across the Middle East for at least 4,000 years, with origins traced to ancient Mesopotamia and the Fertile Crescent. Made from wheat flour, water, yeast, and salt, pita's defining characteristic is its hollow pocket. Formed when steam trapped inside the dough causes it to puff dramatically at oven temperatures exceeding 230 degrees Celsius. The two layers separate as they cool. In Greece, pita contains no pocket and is thicker, used for wrapping gyros. The Middle Eastern and Greek versions represent two entirely distinct bread traditions sharing one name. Ciabatta. Ciabatta is one of the world's youngest major breads, invented in 1982 by Italian baker Arnaldo Cavalieri in Adria, Veneto. It was created deliberately as a response to the growing dominance of French baguettes in European markets. Made from wheat flour, water, olive oil, salt, and yeast, ciabatta dough contains an unusually high water content of around 80%, producing its characteristic open, irregular crumb structure full of large air pockets. Its name means slipper in Italian, referencing its flat, elongated shape. It is now exported to over 30 countries. Tortilla. The corn tortilla predates European contact in the Americas by thousands of years, with Mesoamerican civilizations preparing masa, a nixtamalized corn dough, as far back as 1500 BCE. Nixtamalization, soaking dried corn in an alkaline lime solution, increases the bioavailability of niacin by over 700%, a nutritional discovery that sustained entire civilizations. Mexico produces approximately 12 billion tortillas annually. The wheat flour tortilla, now equally common, was developed in northern Mexico's Sonora region after Spanish colonizers introduced wheat in the 16th century. Lavash. Lavash is a thin, unleavened flatbread originating in the South Caucasus region, consumed across Armenia, Azerbaijan, Iran, and Turkey for over 3,000 years. In 2014, UNESCO inscribed Armenian lavash onto its intangible cultural heritage list. Made from wheat flour, water, and salt. The dough is stretched paper-thin and slapped against the inner wall of a toner, a cylindrical clay oven embedded in the ground. It bakes in under 60 seconds at extreme heat. Dried lavash can be stored for up to 6 months and rehydrated with water, making it historically vital for nomadic communities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.